Those who are saying that Oburu does not talk are talking nonsense. They are saying nonsense. Oburu can talk, and this broad-based arrangement, I want to assure those who are saying that it was only Raila who could handle it. Oburu does not know anything about it. I want to tell them that all the meetings of the broad-based arrangement with Ruto, the chairman has been this man called Oburu before you here. I have been the chairman of all them, including the ones which appointed Opio to the cabinet, appointed Mbadi, and appointed all our people, including Wakina Joho and everybody. And I want to tell you that we have currently 14 PSs in this government. We have 14 PSs. And we also have directors. So we got into this government by accident because the government was shaken by GenZ. And we got into this government through the back door, through the window. But now I'm telling you, you people, that as we approach 2027, we are not going to get into a government through the back door. We are going to get in through the front door, through a negotiated arrangement. And this negotiated arrangement will be headed by me. And I'm telling you that it is not going to be a very easy negotiation. It is going to be a tough negotiation, and we are going to get what our share should be. And this share of ours depends on you people. It depends on your unity. It depends on your membership of the party. I'm asking you people, don't join ODM. Don't just be a supporter. Be a member of the party and strengthen the party. If the party is strong, we are also strong. And we shall also negotiate hard because we are strong. If the party is weak, we are also weak. And we are going to negotiate from a point of weakness. I must tell you, my people, that I announced at the beginning of this year. And this is clear. We don't want to go this way, that way. We have said clearly that this year, 2026 is the year of negotiations for any arrangement. Either we are going in partnership with the UDA or any other, or we are going alone as ODM. And if we are going alone as ODM, Oburu is the presidential candidate. What I want to tell you is that we are soon establishing a negotiating team. This negotiating team will now start negotiating with others, because it is very difficult for a party to go single without seeking support of the others. Therefore, we must negotiate with others. This team will negotiate, and these negotiations will start with our current partners in the broad-based arrangement. We shall start negotiations with them. We shall only go to the others if we don't agree, or if we don't conclude this one first. But those who are saying that Oburu is not validly elected, I challenge them. If they say it is NDC, let us go with them to NDC. I will call it very soon. And we are working with President Ruto in this broad-based arrangement, and we want to see that in the short time remaining, our people gain as much as they should. Their rightful share, which they have been denied for many years, should now come to them. My people must get their rightful share. Government is big, we are not taking their shares, so they should not be jealous. We are only demanding our rightful share, which we have been denied for many years. That is what we are going to do. And we are going to continue to do it this time round, and we are going to make sure that we get, but as we negotiate.
on any particular issue, as a leader, you must have a position. You cannot, as a leader, afford to blow hot and cold. You cannot, as a leader, continue to prevaricate on any single issue. You cannot afford to sit on the fence perpetually as a leader. The matter of ODM party leadership was settled at the National Governing Council, acting on behalf of the National Delegates Conference. So anybody imagining that there's some vacuum in ODM leadership is daydreaming. It's daydreaming. It cannot be that unless you are the one leading, nothing can happen. Who are you? Who are you? Who are you? Yeah. It cannot be. We can't allow you. We shall deal with you square. We shall deal with you square, regardless of who you are. I want you, Dr. Oburu, Ogiya, as the duly elected leader of ODM, with all the powers conferred on you under the ODM Constitution. I want to request you, Dr. Oburu, to invoke Article 16, Sub-Article 1F of the ODM Constitution and embark on serious negotiations on behalf of ODM with President William Ruto as leader of UDA for purposes of developing a pre-election coalition agreement. We cannot afford to wait for 2027 to start planning for 2027 elections. Those plans must be commenced now. And the person mandated by the party constitution is Dr. Oburu. That mandate is not shared with anybody else under the earth. We expect Dr. Oburu under leadership, as you proceed with those engagements, you must take into consideration the time factor. You won't get the luxury of time.
Our minimum condition for dialogue in the ODM party, minimum respect for party leader. That is the minimum. If you don't respect the party leader, there's no peace and there's no negotiation in the party. Mainstream ODM is working with President Ruto. There are a few leaders who are not interested in this broad-based coalition. We are not going to send you, we are not going to ask you to resign. But when the party can make decisions such as ratifying engagement with President William Ruto, you will have no option. You just leave on your own. So we will not even ask you to leave. Because if Central Committee meets tomorrow and they make a resolution that we are working with Ruto, you don't want that decision, you will have no option. You just leave on your own. So I was telling my friends that we are not asking anybody, we are not sending anybody away from the party. But you will find yourself outside the party after the party has made critical decisions. My members were one of our team.
So, and I mean, you can watch away to Mangay. You moko wacho no Oburu Kolosi. Oburu Kolosi and Momo.